Heat waves don't just make us sweaty and uncomfortable. New research suggests that they may actually accelerate our biological aging. But here's the twist. One of our best defenses against this isn't high-tech medicine. It's trees, parks, and green roofs. Let's explore. Can planting trees actually help slow the aging process? First, let's talk about what heat does to the body. Extreme heat stresses our cardiovascular system. It dehydrates us and it disrupts our sleep. But researchers are now finding that repeated exposure to heat waves may go even deeper, down to our cells. Some studies show that heat stresses can damage our proteins, it can increase oxidative stress, and it can accelerate markers of biological aging. In other words, heat isn't just uncomfortable, it may be speeding up the clock inside of our bodies. Now let's add cities into the mix. Urban areas trap heat because of concrete, asphalt, and dense infrastructure. This is what we call the urban heat island effect, or the heat dome. During a heat wave, cities can be up to 7 to 10 degrees hotter than their surrounding areas. That means millions of people are exposed to higher, longer-lasting heat and potentially faster biological wear and tear on their bodies. This is where nature comes in. Trees and parks act like natural air conditioners. They provide shade, reduce surface temperatures, and even lower surrounding air by several degrees. Green roofs and vertical gardens cool buildings, they reduce energy use, and they create healthier microclimates. And here's the key. Lowering exposure to extreme heat may also lower the accelerated aging effect that researchers are now warning us about. Which means that urban greenery isn't just one of those nice-to-haves. It's not just one of those luxuries for nice aesthetics. It's preventative healthcare in action. Let's look at a few real-world examples. In Melbourne, Australia, city planners created an urban forest strategy to plant thousands of trees specifically to reduce the heat island effects and protect their public health. In Los Angeles, neighborhoods with more tree cover report cooler summer temperatures and lower rates of heat-related illnesses. In Singapore, well, it's become famous for weaving green roofs, vertical gardens, and shaded walkways into its incredibly dense urban design, protecting its population from heat stress. In all of these cases, the result is the same. Greener cities mean healthier, more resilient communities. So here's the big idea. Planting trees isn't just an environmental move, it's an anti-aging medicine for cities. By reducing exposure to extreme heat, urban greenery can protect cellular health, it can reduce cardiovascular stress, and lower risks tied to accelerated biological aging. And unlike expensive treatments, this is low-cost, scalable, and provides countless co-benefits. Like, we're talking cleaner air, stronger communities, biodiversity, and more beauty, and so on and so forth. Just look at it out here. We often think of anti-aging in terms of creams and supplements or cutting-edge medical research. But what if one of the most effective strategies is literally outside of your front door? Planting trees may be one of the simplest, most powerful public health tools that we have, not just for fighting climate change, but for slowing the impacts of heat on our bodies. So of course, I gotta ask you a question. My question for you this video is, do you think that we should treat urban greenery just like we treat medicine? Could planting a tree today really add years to someone's life tomorrow? I'd love to hear your thoughts about this down in the comments. And remember, I love you, be excellent to each other. Come see me in the forest.